Woo. Ooh. Wow, that's big. Oh, this feels big. I got a nice fish on. Yeah, big fish already. Yeah, fish on, big one.
This island, boy. Yeah.
Babe's getting pulled over, guys.
Okay. Yep.
You're getting breath tested today, mister.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Good, thanks.
That's good. I take it you haven't done one of these tests before?
No, that's why we're filming him.
That's alright, all good. So what I'll do,
Yep.
I'll just put this near your mouth
Yep.
and you just count 1 to 10.
Yep.
You'll pick up any alcohol in your breath, alright?
Okay.
Okay. Obviously you haven't had any alcohol in the last few hours.
Nah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Alright, 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All good to go, guys.
Yep.
Thanks for
Alright,
that.
awesome.
thank
See
you.
ya. Bye.
See you.
There you go.
Wagwan. You don't know it's Island Boy Africa. Yesterday, guys. So we here. Here is little Bobo. Yeah. Yeah, we out here fishing again, eh? Yeah. And there we have Babe, the champion.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, we out here again today.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So same spot. Yeah, man. We at Shelly Beach again. Yeah, man. So brother-in-law, mother-in-law, and yeah, a couple more people come in. So yeah, we're here from early. It's what, after 10? Yeah, after 10, you know, 2 minutes past 10. So yeah, man. I go see what I go on. The tide is high. So I go on night morning, you know. There's a guy down there casting his lure. So that would be interesting to see him catch something as well. Hey? Yeah, big waves. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So guys, we haven't even made a cast yet. But I just see a big fish right there in the waves, right this a while ago. So I'm excited already. Literally right in the wave. Good, Bobo? Comfortable? Fish on? Wow, fish on already. Yeah, big fish already. Yeah, fish on, big one. Yeah. First cast again. You sure? It's probably swimming up. There, it's still on. Oh, it's that ugly fish.
What is that?
The same ugly fish that we always catch.
Ugly?
Yeah, the same fish that we always catch.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. This is a big one though, bigger than the ones normally catch.
Can you eat those?
I don't know, but I'm not interested. Hey guys. Woo! I'm gonna see that one, the things already. First cast, first action. Yeah, man. I'm gonna take this one out. Oh, time for my first cast. Fish on, seems. Another small one of those again. Oh, those fish are so common, yo. The same fish again. The ones that I hate. Fishy, Bobo. Yeah. Yeah. Them plenty down there. Plenty. Short. Oh, shoot. Ugh. One back. Don't come back on the line again. Take courage. Yeah. Gonna try, you know, and see if nothing did there for me. Oh, that's sea. The fish that I saw in the wave though, that's something different. It was a big fish. Oh, I mean, I get bite as it drop. That's a good sign. And then teeth for bait. I think it all.
Oh, that's a fish, right?
Yeah? Oh, really?
Oh, God.
You sure it's not stuck now though?
No, here. You have a look.
No, it's stuck.
You sure it's stuck?
Yeah, it's stuck.
Oh, I think it's fish.
It's stuck, babe, trust me. You would have feel it pulling. It's stuck.
Pulling, you can see the line.
No, that's the wave. Trust me, babe, it's stuck. Yeah, it's stuck.
Maybe a fish was on it.
Yeah, there was a fish on it, but it probably run under the rocks or something. Same ugly fish. Same fish again, guys. That's like the third one now.
Island, look.
I'll take him off. Swallow the hook. Ooh, fish on. Yeah. Shit. Did it? Oh, this feel big. I got a nice fish on, I think, guys. Woo. Whoa, where is it? What kind of fish is that? Ooh. Whoa. It's the same kind of fish.
Nice. Not as big as mine.
Yeah. I caught one of the same fish, guys. What? You joking?
Push, push, push.
Wow. It's a nice one though. Finally we broke my ducks with a nice fish. Yo. Look at that. Nice one. Yeah, guys. Them fish are definitely live out here, so. Look at that. What? So guys, it got really, woo. See what I was just about to explain what's going on. So the wave, them pick up, the breeze picked up. Yeah, so we have to move. We're sitting right here now, look how far the water goes. Oh, and another wave coming. So yeah, Island and Babe over there. Yeah, so we have to move a bit. It's really cold now, like it's gonna rain or something. But still I gotta try fish the same way, so stick around. Oh, nice fish again, guys. You don't feel that big though. Kinda feel small. Alrighty. What kind of fish is this? Oh, nice parrot. What you said to me? Oh, nice hitching, man. What? Look at that. Hopefully I'm still recording. What? Oh yes, I'm recording. Oh, these stones. Wow. This is a nice parrot. Biggest parrot this we catch in Australia. Whoa. This is a nice one. Yeah, guys. Beautiful fish. Yo! Yo, I'm excited, I swear. I am excited. Shelly Beach is the best. Yo, you can't possibly catch anything else, so yo. Got that one? Nice parrot fish. Jaja. Alright. Ooh, fish on as it drop. Fish on as it drop. What is this now? Oh, See a ugly fish. I'm come off of my line. Come off of my line, but stuck my sinker. What that thing? Woo! Got it. I think I got a fish on, guys. Feels small though. What is this? Oh no, it got stuck my line. Oh, there it is. It's the same ugly fish again. Me tired at it. Oh, big wave. And this is what we have here. Yeah. Them yeah, they don't they like no tomorrow. Oh, fish on. Got a fish on. Feel small though. Feel like a small one. It's probably the same fish again. Oh yep. Can't escape them, yeah. There we go again. So that surf rescue there passing by. Ooh, fish on. Feels small though. Oh, it almost got stuck in the rock. Ah. You guys guess what fish it is already? Think you all know by now. Yep. That's the fish. Yeah. Yeah, stuck. Oh, in the igloo. Yeah, burst. Oh, fish on. Yeah, big one. It's a nice fish. Woo. Ooh. Wow, that's big. It's a big bream. Oh, stop down there. Shit. Oh, look at that. That's a big bream. What? That is big. Big one, eh? Yo, there's so much fish down there, man. Big. Big. So I just went to the beach here and there to check on Babe on Island. Yeah, so Babe is not feeling too well, and so am I as well, but yeah, Babe is definitely not feeling well at all. Yeah, so she there with her mom and all that. Yeah, so my brother-in-law is here fishing. Hopefully he catch something already. Yeah, so I'm going back out there and see what can happen. Yeah, it seems like it won't rain, even though driving coming on the way it's been raining. Yeah, and then it did turn out sunny, but now yeah, it's getting dark again. Make us so we can go on with still, so stick around. Still got it? Yeah. Got stuck?
Yeah, I got the walk through.
Oh shit.
Don't be bad.
Yeah. Shit, that's strong, man. Shit.
Yeah, they get one.
Yeah, I hate when that happen, man. Same fish again. Look what I caught. Got a bite. Nice parrot. Parrot fish. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Nice one. Oh shit. Again. Oh. Same fish, guys. As always. Another fish, guys. What is this one? Huh? I have no idea what is this. You know what kind of fish? Okay. Oh shit. Yeah. It's crazy. Got that. Comment down below if you know what kind of fish it is. So guys, I'm done fishing on the rocks now, so that's Babe and my brother-in-law there, and yeah, now it's time to hold a swim. Yeah, I feel tired after fishing, man. Sun drained me out, and the amount of time I let my line burst as well. Yeah. Oh my god, it's always the worst into the water. Shoot, it feel cool. No sir, this feels cold, man. This is cold. Oh my. No sir. This is cold, babe. I don't know if I can do this today, you know. I swear. Feel cool. Cheese and peas. No sir, I don't know if I can make up my mind for that one, you know. No, I'm not doing it today. Oh no. Oh! Oh! I am not doing it today. You going in? We scared make up our mind. Not a ratty. Oh! 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 Cool! Cool! How is it?
Cold.
Oh my god, I'm not doing it.
Cold.
I'm not doing it.
Get in, babe. Get in, babe.
No,
Get in,
no, no.
babe.
Not doing it today.
Get in. Come on, baby, get in. Once you get in, you're good.
Yeah.
Love you, baby.
I love you.
How you feeling?
Ah. Got little Bobo having a nice rest at the beach. Man, fully tired after playing.
Break one here, I don't know where to go. Oh, you can pretend.